In this video, what we want to do is look at how to create the Java main file. Now, for those of you who are experienced with C++, this is going to be very similar, but have a couple of minor changes to it. So let's take a look at what we're going to do. I'm assuming I've already got the JDK installed, and I'm using Visual Studio Code with any necessary extensions already applied. So I'm going to come to a new file. I'm going to choose a new Java class. Now, right now, by default, you'll notice it says main. I'm going to choose sample1. When I go to save this, notice it tries to put that whole first line in for me. I'm going to simply say, no, I just want sample1. Make sure it's going to put the .java, as you can see there. All right, so now that that's done, we need to create our main. Now, in something like C++, we would say int main and then the parameter list. Java's a little bit different. We have to give it an accessor. It needs to be public. If it's not public, it's going to give us an issue. And that's because anyone can run main, but only if we say public. Next, it needs to be static. Now, static is going to let us call the method without having to create an object of type sample1. This is very important because we haven't started an application yet. It's not running, so we can't create an object. So we have to have public, we have to have static. It's going to be void. We're not returning a data type, so void, main, and then our parameter list. Java is going to require a parameter list. Now, this parameter list can be empty, which makes it easy, but it's going to be of type string, and then we're going to say args. This is an array, however, of string arguments, so we're going to put the square brackets. Notice as soon as I do this, it automatically comes up and says, ooh, I know this is runnable. Do you want to run it? Now, that run pipe debug is just something that Visual Studio Code has added. If you look at my line numbers, you're going to notice that there's actually not anything to run there. Go outside my parameter list, put my braces, and that contains the body of my main function. And so that's how I have to create my main function inside of Java. It's very simple, very easy to do, but there are those little rules that we have to follow. Hopefully you found that helpful. If so, please consider giving the video a like so I can create more videos like this, and check out our next video on how to put something inside the main function that's going to run.